Hey YouTube, today we're playing this speed simulator game type.
No, I'm gonna see if I get the reading.
So this is my first time playing and I changed my avatar. My friends have played this game a lot because up there so much. You have 7 rebirths. Yeah, happy 4th of July. Oh, you mean prestige? Even though, honestly, I don't know what to do other than run around. Oh, there's trails. Come on, you need prestige for trails. Yeah, there's trails. Like, under the prestige button, there's a trails button. Why can't I go up street? KFC. Seriously? I'm so slow. I'm going down in the sewers.
Why are you running? 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 I can get the 7,000.
So I guess you just run around in this game. Huh?
Look how high I go. Look how high I'm gonna go. Right here. Look how high I'm gonna go. Ready? See?
What? We're fast. And I'm slow, so yeah. What? I can't jump through the windows. Oops. Ooh, secret path. Secret pathway. Come on. But, yeah. Skins. Okay so far. But, yeah. Oh yeah, this is my new recording software, so maybe it'll be better. So, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. But, still, if you like my new recording software, hit the subscribe button. Oh. I'm gonna do some parkour real quick. Yay. Parkour. I'm doing parkour. No! I hate parkour now. I'm not having any more long videos now. I'm only having like 10 to 15 minute videos due to my new recording software. Yeah, I'm pretty close. Almost halfway. Once I make this parkour jump, that'll be great. Sonic! No! I was an inch off. So I guess in this game, you don't have to necessarily. Look, I'm getting 3 points. I'm getting 3 points. I just open the chat and I just walk and you get points. Now this is how you auto form games. So yeah, this is how you auto farm in games. Pretty easy.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
So what I'm doing, I'm just I'm walking and then I'm pressing the chat button and I'm just running for free points in place. So easy. I don't even have to work. I could just do like this. Look, I'm getting points and I'm not even trying. I'm just hacking. What? So I think I'm gonna end the video here because why not? Hopefully you liked my new recording software and enjoyed the game. Enjoyed the recording. Thanks and bye.